Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing fine. In this tutorial we will learn about WafW00f tool. It is basically a web application firewall detector tool. You can use it in your penetration testing. It is a very useful tool. So with the help of this tool you can check whether a particular website is running behind a firewall or not. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to install this tool on your Kali Linux machine. For that purpose, you need to run these commands. So you need to have Python version 3 installed on your Kali Linux machine. You can check it by running this command, which is python 3-v, and then you will have to run this git clone command, and then go to this WafW folder, and finally you will need to run this command python 3 setup.py install. So this is how you can install this WafW tool on your Kali Linux machine. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to run this command. Before we discuss further this tool, let me tell you that if you like more such content, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss out on the latest from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Let me close this file and clear the terminal. So let us first check its help menu, which is WafW00f help. So as you can see, this is its help menu. You can use -v for verbose mode, and you can check the list of firewalls by using this -l command. List all webs that WafW is able to detect. So let us check this. Let me type WafW00f-l. So as you can see, these are the list of web application firewalls which WafW00f tool can detect. So it can detect Cisco firewall, it can detect ASP.NET Generic, which is a Microsoft web application firewall, and there are other firewalls as well. I think there is some issue with the tool. So these are the firewalls which you can detect with the help of this WafW00f tool. So let me clear the terminal and show you a demonstration. All you have to do is type WafW00f and the name of your target website. In my case it is HTTP, since I'm 98.1.2/utility. Okay, and then let me run this command. I am running a website on my local web server, so obviously it is not going to detect any web application firewall since I have not installed any web application firewall. But in your case, in case of your target website might be running behind a web application firewall, and this WafW tool is going to detect it. I have already shown you the list of web application firewalls which it can detect. So as expected, there is no web application firewall installed on my PC. That is why it has not detected any. So this is how you can use this tool, and that's all for this video. Let me show you another useful command. For example, suppose you have to check a list of multiple target websites for web application firewall. Then you can create a text file and type the URLs there. For example, in my case it is http://192.168.1.2/mutilid. Save that file, close this, and let me check itself menu again. For that purpose we can use the input file. Yes, so dash input file, so for that purpose we will type WafW00f-I for input and the name of the file, which is in my case URL is .txt, and then press enter. So suppose you have to check multiple websites for web application firewall, then you can paste all the URLs in a text file and use this -I option to test all those websites simultaneously. Obviously it will take some time because due to the multiple URLs, but this is just another useful command which I wanted to show you, and you can use it in your penetration testing process. So that's all for this video. Before leaving, let me tell you again, if you like such content, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, because I'm going to paste more such videos in future. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.